This is the recovery air system, air intake, fresh air intake. Part of the cleaning. All this dirt and dander sucks in, goes into the filter system. And right now I have the hose for the vacuum pushed on below, right? Now watch. All right. This ruins the media filter for your recovery air system. Okay. Whew. Shit. Exterior where I was cleaning at. All that air comes in the bottom and the top from outside. Goes through the fan. That's how the fan gets some dirt and transfers over to the outlet, both sides. It's filtered again, or actually the first time it gets filtered. Boom, boom. If you see this grate, it doesn't stop with it. And then passes through your box. Boom, boom, and then back to your system.